Today we are at 3940 West 61st Street.
And we are attempting our first attempted repair. We are using the crowbar that is recommended by State Farm or by the insurance. I am going to take off this shingle right here that you see that is marked. In order for me to take out this shingle, I need to take out the two shingles above it because it is nailed to this shingle. I will now proceed as carefully as possible. You can see there's a bunch of granite that has been falling. And as you can see, the shingle has damage right here. You see, Joe? And as you can see, it is starting to pierce. Another one right here. And then there is multiple granite loss all across this shingle because of my attempted repair. And as you can see, it almost punctured it. You could almost see it go through. And then we have another one. You can see right here. And then again, a lot of granite loss. A lot of granite loss. As you can see here, this shingle peeled and everything just got lifted. Granite loss all around here. A bunch of granite loss all around here, all over the shingle. As you can see again, all granite loss, and as you can see right here, the shingle got completely pulled away from the nail above below. So this shingle is completely damaged on the bottom because it completely pierced through the nail. Once attempting to repair this completely got lifted. And then we have another one, another ripped shingle. And again, this shingle got this nail and this nail right here, as you can see, got completely lifted through. You see? Another one right here. Another clean rip. Another point of impact. And as you can see, just major granite loss all around. Another one. And then another one. So far there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tears and 2 shingle nails pulled through the shingle. This attempted repair has failed. I will no longer proceed. This has failed.